Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing how to braid your hair yourself. Welcome. On today's video I'm going to be showing how to braid your hair. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe, and if you are returning, thank you for sticking with me. Love you. Going straight into this video. So first of all, I parted my hair off camera. My sister helped with the parting and all, so I did that off camera. So I picked a section, I moisturized and detangled using my finger and comb. So after doing that, I moisturized using my leave-in conditioner. Yeah. So after doing that, now I'm going straight into braiding. I divided this section into three subsections. So after dividing it into three subsections, you're going to pick the hair like you are braiding cornrows, but you have to be really careful so that you won't braid it in a way that you won't be able to style it later on. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So after picking like doing that for like three turns, then I started braiding like straight. This is to prevent the hair from standing or flying. You don't want to braid your hair finish and everything is up, you get. So now I am going to be braiding down till my hair is exhausted. So that's what I am going to be doing now. So if you look at what I'm about to do here, I'm turning. So I'm turning in a way that it won't get confusing or the hair won't turn and they'll be like cross. So I like twisted my hand in a way so that it won't, so that I'll be comfortable while braiding and it won't turn like the wrong way. So you need to be very careful here. This is what my first braid looked like after braiding now. Have a look. So I'm going to repeat the process for every section now. So I am going to repeat the process for this back section. So that's what I'm just going to be doing continuously. So I'm going to do that off camera. So I am halfway done here. As you can see, my braids are looking juicy. Don't forget, you moisturize and detangle. You don't want to put your hair in a protective hairstyle that is going to make your hair tangle. You don't want to tangle your hair into a protective hairstyle. So when you know how to comb, it's not, you don't want that. So while braiding, I gave my hair a little grip. So I'm not going to be able to style it into various styles yet. So I'm creating like a kind of style already, making it like half pattern. So there's more on the left side than on the right side. So I'm just going to like go with that style for a while before my braids release. Then I can style it into any style I want. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So this is what the final results look like. Thank you for watching. If you made it to this point and you're not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I love you. See you in my next video.